Nancy Fetzer's Sentence Building. Lesson number 10, Learning about Pronouns. For this lesson, you will need the Check the Pronouns worksheet, the pronouns chart, and a blue crayon.
We are ready to begin. Today is our second grammar lesson. In the previous lesson, you learned about nouns. Nouns are living things, places, and things. In today's lesson, you will learn about pronouns. Pronouns are a special type of noun that can take the place of nouns. Let's learn about pronouns by building our pronoun chart. At the top is living things, and below that are places and things. Let's get busy and fill up our chart with pronouns. Under living things, there are 5 pictures: a girl, a boy, someone pointing at him or herself, a group, and animals. Under places and things are a house for places and a teddy bear for things. We will sort many pronouns under these pictures. She. Does she go under the boy or the girl? Under the girl. She is a pronoun that replaces any nouns that mean a girl or a female. He. Does he go under the boy or the girl? Under the boy. He is a pronoun that replaces any nouns that mean a boy or a male. This is fun. Let's go faster. I. Does I go under the person pointing at him or herself or the group? Under the person pointing at him or herself. Excellent. The pronouns it and its. It and its go under places and things and animals. We use it and its when we don't know the animal or if we don't know if it is male or female. We and us. We and us go under the group of people. Me, under the person pointing to him or herself. Her and hers, under the girl. Him and his, under the boy. They and them can replace words for a group of people, animals, places, and things. My and mine. My and mine go under the person pointing at him or herself. Their and theirs go under the group of people and the animals. Wow, that's a lot of pronouns. Let's get to work and use our pronoun chart. Get into writing position, grab your blue crayon, and place the Check the Pronouns worksheet in front of you. On the left side of the worksheet are 2 sentences about a girl and her cat. On the right side of the worksheet is the sentence we wrote about the boy and the goose. Go to the girl and the cat sentences. Follow along as I read. The girl played with the cat. Later, the girl taught the cat to sit. Stop! 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 Good writers don't use the same important words over and over again. Girl, girl, cat, cat. The sentences sound odd because we repeated girl and cat too many times. Let's replace these important nouns with pronouns so we can become better writers. In the first sentence, the girl played with the cat. We will keep girl and cat so we know what the sentence is about. Next, go to the second sentence. Later, the girl taught the cat to sit. We already know there's a girl and a cat. We can replace both with the correct pronouns. First, we need to find the pronouns to replace girl. Look at our chart. Girl is a living thing. Under the picture of the girl or female are the pronouns she, her, hers. In our sentence, she is the pronoun that takes the place of the girl. Her and hers does not sound right, but the pronoun she does sound right. Listen. Later, she taught the cat to sit. That sounds much better. Next, we need to replace cat. Cat is a living thing because it's an animal. Under living things, find the picture of the animals. Read the pronouns. Next, we need to replace cat. We will choose the pronoun it to take the place of cat. It sounds best. Listen to our two sentences. The girl played with the cat. Later, she taught it to sit. We fixed our sentences. We stopped using important words over and over again. We replaced overused nouns with pronouns. Wow! Pronouns help us to become better writers. Excellent job! Oh my goodness! We are becoming pronoun experts. That means we are ready to find pronouns in sentences. We will find pronouns in the sentence about the boy and the goose. Follow along as I read the sentence. The angry goose wildly chased after the naughty boy around the field because he plucked its big feather. Notice the nouns in this sentence have been checked because we learned how to check them in our previous lesson. We will go back in this sentence and find any pronouns and check them as well. Place the pronoun chart next to your worksheet. Read the sentence backwards and only stop if you think you have a pronoun. Feather. Big. Its. Its is on our pronoun chart. Check its. It refers to the goose. Continue reading the sentence backwards to find pronouns. Plucked. He. Stop. He is a pronoun on our chart. Check he. The pronoun he is in this sentence. He refers to the boy. Because. Field. The. Around. Boy. Naughty. The. After. Chased. Wildly. Goose. Angry. The. He and its are pronouns in this sentence. Excellent job. Super work. We checked the pronouns in this sentence. Wow, that was fun. In this lesson, you learned about pronouns, special types of words that take the place of nouns. You use the pronoun chart to replace overused nouns. And you also learned how to find pronouns in sentences and check them. We check the pronouns in sentences because they are special types of nouns. Great job! After you finish your homework practice page, you then will be ready for lesson number 11, where you will learn about proper nouns, the nouns that always start with a capital letter.